Hi everyone and welcome back to Creative Cups Art. Today we are going to draw a super cute puppy together. Grab your pencil, paper and let's start drawing. First let's draw a floppy puppy ear. Just make a soft curved shape like a droopy leaf. And now we draw the puppy's snout. Make a small rounded shape in the front so our puppy can sniff the world. Now we add a little line going back to start the puppy's long body. And now we draw two tiny front legs. These are the puppy's little standing legs. Draw a smooth line for the tummy. Puppies have cute round tummies. Next, we add the back legs so our puppy can run and play. Let's add a wagging tail. Puppies love wagging their tails when they are happy. And now let's draw the back and a little puppy bump. Now draw a big eye to make our puppy look cute and friendly. Let's add more fun to our drawing. A cute butterfly is flying near our puppy. Let's draw it. Also, let us give our puppy a collar so it looks like a loved pet. And finally, it's time to color our drawing. Wow, look at your adorable puppy. Great job, little artists. Don't forget to like, subscribe and come back to Creative Cups Art for more fun drawings. See you in the next one.